like dinosaurs. All types of dinosaurs. I like angry dinosaurs. I like fast dinosaurs. Spiky dinosaurs. Huge dinosaurs. I like dinosaurs with long necks. I like dinosaurs with long tails. I like purple dinosaurs. I like dinosaurs with short arms. I like friendly dinosaurs. I like green dinosaurs and twin dinosaurs. I like dinosaurs with horns. I like dinosaurs with faces that look like ducks. I like dinosaurs with long wings and feathers. I like dinosaurs with rocky backs. I like blue dinosaurs. I like all kinds of dinosaurs. Do you want to play a dinosaur matching game with me? All you have to do is guess the name of the dinosaur. Let's start. Which dinosaur is this? That's right. This is a Tyrannosaurus Rex, my favorite. Which dinosaur is this? That's right. This is a Velociraptor, also my favorite. Which dinosaur is this? Oh, you got it right. This is a Spinosaurus. You must be my friend. Do you know the name of this dinosaur? That's right. This is a Stegosaurus. Do you know the name of this dinosaur? That's right. This is a Brachiosaurus, also my favorite. What about this dinosaur? Do you know its name? You got it. This is an Apatosaurus. Do you know the name of this dinosaur? That's right. This is an Allosaurus. What about this dinosaur? What's it called? That's right. This one is a Diplodocus. Do you know the name of this dinosaur? You got it. This is a sauropods. Do you know the name of this dinosaur? That's right. This is an Ankylosaurus. Do you know this dinosaur's name? It's not Fred. You got it. This is a Parasaurolophus. Do you know the name of this dinosaur? You're so smart. You got it right. This is an Archaeopteryx. Do you know the name of this dinosaur? That's right. This is a Titanosaurus. And what's the name of this one? That's right. This is a Lambeosaurus. Yay! You got all of them right. You must like dinosaurs just like me.